I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna head out and check out the Christmas window displays. So come along with me and let's go and check out the window displays in I don't know where it is. It's somewhere between 3rd and 5th Avenue. I think around Midtown. So let's get going and see what they have over there. I initially found this on some what to do website and I saw an ad for it, which I thought was rather interesting, but I wasn't sure what I was getting myself into. This is the Gustav Klimt exhibition, which is essentially an immersive art experience, and oh boy, I was blown away. My mind was blown. This was one of the best art exhibition I've ever been, and if you haven't been to this exhibition, I highly recommend that you do. It is one of the most immersive, most interesting, and yeah, let the picture show you. Well, it will be some videos that I'll be putting up. It's not going to be very long because I'm not sure if it's going to be copyright striked. And you know, I don't want to ruin the experience for everyone, so make sure to go check it out if you are in one of the few countries or cities that have this exhibition. You can probably check it out on their website as well. It's not an ad or anything, but I just find it to be so great, and yeah, highly recommend that you go to one if you are in one of the cities. And let's check out some of the clips. After the exhibition, I went into Macy's and also checked out a few window displays that they have outside. Unfortunately, I didn't know that they also have one right at the top floor. The next day I got a ticket to the Christmas Spectacular by the Radio City Rockets, and it was spectacular indeed. I managed to get a few short clips given filming is not allowed, but you should definitely go there and experience it at least once. After the show, I went to a pizza shop for that world best pizza ever and head back to my Airbnb before heading back out in the evening to catch a comedy show in the Greenwich Village.
Stand-up comedy.
Thank you for watching the second episode of my NYC trip. There will be a lot more coming, so make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell notification if you don't want to miss it. Also give me a like if you enjoy this sort of content, and check out my blog for a more detailed breakdown of my day-to-day travel in NYC. And you can also support me by being a Patreon, link will be in the description below. I'll catch you all in the next one.